Hello and welcome to SDSC Specialist Cars. This is our video review of our 1996 Mercedes E220 Coupe. She's just come into us. Two owners from new, this car. Last owner since 2001, and it's absolutely stunning. These cars are normally rock boxes and have had a ton of paintwork and are just horrible. This is a garage car. It's never been out in the wet. It's proper. We're going to have a walk around. I'll show you the condition of the car, but it really is so original. Absolutely lovely. I mocked the paint and it's just come up amazing. Front wing here, absolutely spotless. No rust or anything on there, as you can see. And the front wheel, absolutely perfect. Correct Michelin tyres on there as well. There's an elderly Chinese couple who had the car down in Essex, and they've just really looked after it. I mean, look at the paintwork. You just don't get this. This is original on a 20-odd-year-old car. We've got the sunroof up here as well. Look, there we are. And even the air conditioning's ice cold. The rear wheel there, absolutely spotless. Rear arches, like I said, no rust or anything on those. I'll show you even in the petrol cap. Look at the petrol cap. Around the back of the car. Lovely deep shine in the boot lid there, look at that. And the rear wheel there, again, absolutely spotless. Coming down the passenger side. Double odd size mirrors on these cars. Actually, I didn't notice that until I'd purchased this one. And these are proper classic car investments, these old Mercs. These are the last proper Mercs where you service them every 500,000 miles. Drilled rotors in there as well, you just make those out. Around the front of the car we've got one tiny little mark just there. Like I said, I'm not messing with her because she's so original. I don't want to do anything. I've got another little tiny mark just there, and another little mark just there. But stone chips, there's none on the bonnet. The bonnet is pristine, and it's not been painted. It's original. Badge there, look at that. All the headlights are lovely and clear. Indicators. The trim surround. The only thing I have noticed, a little bit of delamination on the rear window there. That's about the only thing I can find on the car. Inside is spectacular. Look at this driver's seat. Look at that. No automatic headlights on this car, funnily enough, but she has covered 107,000 miles. Like I said, air conditioning all works perfectly. I've upgraded the radio there, haven't broken any wires, it's just been plug and play for a Bluetooth one. Heated seats. Look at the wood on the centre console. A little bit of the piping's come away there on the armrest. Then in the back, excuse my box of tissues in there. The car mats have actually still got the pins in where they've never been fixed to the floor. There's the original carpets all underneath. Driver's door card. Absolutely spotless. In the boot. One little stain on the carpet there, I'm sure we can get that out. The original radio's in here, the original Blaupunkt, I've put that in there for safekeeping. and the spare wheel and everything's all tucked away underneath here. She drives absolutely out of the box. To be honest, I don't think I've driven a car as good as this. It just drives perfectly. No knocks, rattles, creaks or anything. Again, the car mats, look. All the book pack, the original book pack's all here with all the bits and pieces. There's a massive folder of paperwork with the car for invoices and things of work that's been done. And we'll come round, have a look under the bonnet. Now I haven't cleaned under here. This is how she came. I didn't want to clean because I didn't want to upset anything. But look at these little nuts and bolts. Look at that. All the anodizing still in place. When you put TFR or any cleaning solution on these engines, you lose the anodizing, and so hence why I don't want to do anything to this. I just want to keep it like this. There's the original wax on the engine. No leaks. Look at all the pipes, just superb, look. There's obviously no rust under here. They've obviously had to fit a new battery. Just fantastic. And then I can zoom in here. And yeah, look at that. What a fabulous car. It's just so... I know I'm getting excited about it, but it's just so original, and it's so lovely to see something like this. You know, you just don't get them anymore. You know, they've all had 50,000 owners and been used and abused. This is 2 owners from new. You know, it really is a rare car. Anyway, if you have any more questions, please give me a call. My name is Stuart, and our website is www.sdsc.co.uk. Many thanks for watching.